Welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today, we're tackling something that might seem simple, but can actually be a bit tricky: finding the model number on your Kohler faucet. Many homeowners take on this task themselves, but some common mistakes can make the process more frustrating than it needs to be. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Kohler is one of the most popular faucet brands on the market, offering a wide range of models for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. If you need to replace or repair your Kohler faucet, knowing the model number is essential. Step 1. Check the faucet's packaging. The easiest way to find your model number is on the original packaging. Look for a label on the back of the box or directly on the product. If you don't have the packaging, try locating the serial number on the bottom of the faucet or inside the handle. Step 2. Check the faucet's documentation. If you don't have the packaging, check any manuals or paperwork that came with the faucet. Kohler typically includes installation instructions, parts lists, and warranty information in its documentation. You can also find product details on Kohler's official website or by contacting their customer service. Step 3. Check the installation manual. The installation manual often contains information about parts identification. You can download the manual from Kohler's website by searching for your faucet model. Step 4. Check the warranty information. Kohler provides a warranty for most of its products, which includes a model number reference. If you still can't find it, reach out to Kohler's customer support. Step 5. Contact Kohler customer service. If all else fails, Kohler's customer service team can help you identify your faucet. You can reach them via phone, email, or live chat on their website. And that's it. Finding your Kohler faucet's model number doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple steps, you'll be able to identify your faucet quickly. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves water quality, but also extends the lifespan of your plumbing fixtures. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. For more DIY tips and tricks, stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.